Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Now, this is going to be the second video in the video manual series of Scorpio-N. So, this is going to be regarding how do you get the spare wheel out or remove the spare wheel. So, just in case you get a flat tire and you want to use the spare wheel. So, now Scorpio-N does not come with a full-size spare wheel, so that is going to be obviously a temporary spare wheel. You'll have to go and get your puncture fixed as soon as possible. And also for someone moving from like a sedan to an SUV or hatchback to an SUV might find it awkward that the positioning of the spare wheel is below there. Usually in sedans and hatchbacks you have it inside the boot, which seems quite convenient. Okay, so let's get started. Now first you want to open the door, and now the spare wheel removal nut is here, so it's a good idea to just fold the seats. Remove the cover, and you see that is the symbol for the spare wheel. Let's get this out of the way. To pull this rubber boot, just hold it here and just pull it out. Now for this nut we have everything what we need here. So they're gonna take this tool, and this fits perfectly over this. So, and then we're going to remove this, and just like this we are gonna put it in place. Now you want to hold it with one hand here and the other here. Now since I'm holding the phone with one hand, I'm going to try to do it in a single hand, and you want to rotate it counterclockwise. And when you do so, you can see the spare wheel lowering. After the spare wheel has touched the ground, it's always a good idea to give it a few extra rotations to loosen the tension in the wire. And then you want to pull the spare wheel towards you and just push this inside and take it out like so, and there it is. So that's how you remove the spare wheel of the Scorpio-N. Also, to my surprise, this is actually a full size spare wheel. As you can see, it's 245/65R17, and that is the same specification of my regular wheel, although this does not come with alloy. So but that does make it easier, so I can keep it up for longer time in case I get a flat. So now, since I'm not changing the tire, I'll just put it back. To put it back, just slide the tire inside, and you want to make sure to put it sideways so that when it pulls, it just grips in that groove. Now, and let's start turning it clockwise now, and you can see there's tension building up in that wire. So what you want to make sure is when it's tensed, it's always in the groove like that, so that when you're driving it does not rattle. have this all the way up, so we're just gonna give it just one more turn to make sure it's not loose, and we'll remove this. To put this rubber seal, there's a groove here, you just want to match it with that and put it inside all the way till it sits well. And we'll just pack all the tools. So that's it, guys. So that's how you remove the spare wheel of the Scorpio-N. It's always a good idea to just remove it in regular intervals and make sure it's well inflated. In case you had a flat, you don't want to have a spare wheel which does not have enough air in it. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up. Do consider subscribing for more such content, and I'll see you on the next one.